Very good. If you want to...
What the fuck? This is rotten egg. Let's go. Hello, so here we are at the Harry Potter studio tour and I'm a huge fan, so I cannot wait to see it. First stop is the Harry Potter house, the Muggle house. Well, that sounds unnatural.
Jump on his jump.
Well, this is part of the Harry Potter world too. And it's a Monday, a freaking Monday. Imagine this on Sunday. When you get in to begin the tour, they give you this passport. And then you can stamp it. And from like, you go to one room, you stamp it. Then you go to another room and they stamp it for you. And that's it. Like, we watch the movies and we don't see how much work it is. Like, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. There's so much work, like architects and designers, hairdressers, everything. In the first two rooms, you cannot film or record or take pictures. It's just basically a movie where they explain a little bit. They make people aware of the work that, like, it's put into this. And yeah, it's amazing. This is like approximately like 3 hours. So we will see. Look, we are now at the potions class. So we want a stamp for the passport. The queue to get the stamp.
There you go. When you're happy with the position, firm pull down and hold it in position, okay? So yeah, just put this single page through for me, like this. Perfect, and just bend that back. There you go, and it just slots underneath.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
When you're
cool.
in position.
The flying things were like that, were filmed like this. So they have some sort of machine and then they put it like this, look. You can take a picture with the broomstick. You probably have to pay for it. I'm not going to do it, but yeah, it's like this. So I paid £53 for the ticket to come here, and we came from the Euston train station. We got a train like for 20 minutes, and then we get into the Watford Junction, and then you catch a bus.
It's like the whole purpose
yeah,
is to come to Harry Potter, isn't it?
yeah, like you see it right away, the bus, and the bus is included in the ticket. The train ticket to go to the Watford Junction were like £13. I paid 23 because I wanted the return ticket.
I'm 27 years old. This is the best part of my day. Just hand at the back, so you stand side on to your opponent. With your number one hand, it comes out in front of you, and then your wand comes up above your head. Thank you very much. Now this is wands at the ready position. For move number one, we're going to whip the wand forwards, just like that. Very good. If you want to add your own sound effects, anything like that, you are.
This is the divination class. They have like an English cup of tea and they drink it, and the rest of the tea that it's in the bottom of the cup like defines your fate or something. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
So for the wanderers, down to the bottom to create a big circle next to him.
Spiders. Really? Well, I love them.
I cannot deny that fresh meat comes so willingly into our midst.
Ah, this is how they made the Expecto Patronum. The light thing. Welcome to platform 9 3/4. Famous gummies. Frog. I might get one of these. Well, it smells terrible here, to be honest. I'm going to try the famous every flavor beans. I'll do one random first. Let's try it. Oh my god, which one is it? Oh, I don't know which one is it, but I'm going to try.
No good. What was it
This
between?
one
It was the red one.
was the earthworm.
Earthworm.
Ah, it tastes really like dirt,
Soil.
you know, soil. Black pepper. One for you. Oh my god, this is terrible. This is exactly like pepper.
Weird.
Like putting pepper inside of the mouth. Ugh. Is that what? What is that? This is
grass.
Grass.
Yeah, grass. How do I know that?
I don't know how they do this. Maybe it's magic. I don't know. This one tastes like grass. Love it.
Listen.
It tastes. Oh, I don't know if it's sausage.
That was really bad.
I think this might be a bogey.
You should know what bogeys taste like. I'm joking.
No, I don't. That one doesn't taste like anything.
It tastes a bit just like nothing, doesn't it?
So, oh my god, this is exactly like some earwax, I think.
Oh no. Doesn't taste so much.
Because you know the
Used to it.
No, I don't think it does. I'm guessing this is rotten egg.
Yep.
Yeah, this is rotten egg.
This is the worst one.
Rotten egg is the worst one.
I felt like I was on a gag.
Yeah. Dirt tactic. You know what this tastes? Beetroot.
Yeah, it does.
Dirt is the exact taste of beetroot. They put milk in the cup of tea, which is
As we should.
weird,
As we should.
but it doesn't taste bad. Oh my god, this is very hot. How can you drink it like this?
Just got used to it. Burnt your tongue.
Yeah, my tongue is already burning. How can you drink it like this?
Just got used to it.
It's very warm. Very hot.
Click our fingers and we'll be in the next room.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Fuck that all bullshit, let's go. Believe it, Hagrid's head was not real. It was a robot. What the fuck?
In here, which was used for the gloves and the masks, you've got fabric for the costume, resin fingernails, and resin teeth as well.
So what was this used for?
So that was what they would use to make the gloves and the masks that the goblins would wear in the films. It wouldn't be quite as thick.
You'll more about take some photos and videos of that.
Even in the darkest time, but only remembers to turn on the light.
It really smells like butter. This has gas and it's like melted butter. It's very weird. A very weird drink, to be honest. Not bad, but I'm not going to have it again. So that was the end of the tour. It was amazing, to be honest. Everything that I've ever expected, and yeah, I hope you like this video and I'll see you in Asia.